Zoom in Project. Delivering team projects on time is often a challenge, especially longer range projects. The timeline view in Project for the Web is a powerful feature that can help your team visualize progress and estimate completion dates. We're excited to share that the timeline view now supports additional zoom options. You can now zoom out years further than before. You gave us feedback that the maximum zoom of 1 year was not enough to visualize long-term projects. So we added 4 new zoom options to our timeline view in increments of 1.5 years, 2 years, 3 years, and 6 years. To use these new zoom options, you can open any project and navigate to the timeline view. You can then click and drag the zoom button to your desired level of zoom. These zoom levels also apply to the Export to PDF feature, so you will now be able to export long-term projects in a clear and concise format. With these new options, you can now easily visualize long projects. Thank you for choosing Project for the Web as your project management tool. Please keep providing feedback in-app or through the feedback portal.